Hello guys, welcome to Khan's CAD Academy, and in this tutorial we will continue the design 3D modeling of the extractor. Okay, so today we will be modeling this fifth number part, this bracket type, and we'll continue to model this. So to start with the model, we will start with a new file, new part. Sorry, click on the sketch command, click on the top plane. So I guess it will be okay to start from the top plane. Okay, now we will go through the dimensions, review the dimension what we need. Okay, the thickness is about 6 millimeters. This is 55 millimeters from the top. Okay, 55 plus 7.5 plus 7.5. Okay, so this is it. Okay, we'll try to make this side view and then we'll make the top view. Okay, so we need the total length, that's 55 plus 15. Okay, make sure that the dimensions are in millimeters. Okay, so this is total 70 millimeters, and the total width is 5 plus 6, that's 11. That's 11. So we got this thing. Yeah, we can also make this by with the rectangle command, no problem. Okay, now we know that the thickness of this overall part is 6. Okay, so let's make the center line after the 6. Okay, let's take an offset. 6 millimeters, that's the central line. Okay, and now what we need is okay, we got this center line. So we need this thing to be at 30. But we do not know the reference from where it's starting. So let's confirm this. If it's okay, this is the center. Okay, so we take the midpoint. Okay, we will take this midpoint line and we select the midpoint. Okay, now to get rid of the confusion, you take this on the side, get it on the side. We select the midpoint. Okay, we draw this line and we know that this angle is about 30 degrees. Okay, this line is 30 degrees. So let's make this 30. Okay, we already know that now. Okay, so we drew this one. It's coming like this. So we will trim this excess. Okay, yeah, I know there may be something. Remove some of the relations, so it will the conflict will be over now. Okay, now what we need is okay, this midpoint is marked for the center line, so we need an offset. We already know that this is going through 6 millimeter width, so a 3 millimeter offset on the top and bottom of this 30-degree line will confirm us the thing. Okay, so okay, offset. Wait a second, let me. Okay, we take the offset now, bidirectional by 3. Okay, now we will remove all the extra lines. Okay, I know I will delete this one. Okay, we need to remove these lines. Okay, we will extend this line until here, and now we trim all the extra things. So this thing, okay, now this is the upper part, so this will go like this. We remove this one, it will go like this. Remove this one. Okay, and now remove this one and this one. So and this one also. So this is somehow what we needed, right? Now we will apply the radius 5, so this is 15 millimeters. Okay, so this is what we wanted. Okay, the thickness should be uniform, right? So I guess we made some mistake, you know. Okay, this should be 6 also. Okay, so let's go a little back. Yeah, so let's take an offset here on bidirectional reverse for 6 millimeters. So this will be also 6. Yep, I guess now it's fine. It's 6, this is 6, so all is good now. Okay, this is 15, this is 15, this is 15. Yep, so this is the profile that we needed. Okay, and now the thickness is about, the width is about 15 millimeters, so we'll extrude it to 15 millimeters. Like this. So this is the part that we need, and now we will apply these edges. So the radius is about 7.5. Okay, so fillet 7.5. Okay, now we will punch these holes at 6 millimeter in dia. Okay, so we'll add the dimension 6 millimeter here, 6 millimeter here. Okay, now we use the extrude cut command. We use the both directions, and that's it. So we are done with this part also. Okay, now we will save this file. Yeah, this is the part 5, so let's save this with Extractor 5. Okay, and save this file. So this is how you make this file and use the sketch commands to complete your sketch. So I hope you like the tutorial, and wait for the next part to come. Peace out.